Hey friends, today I'm going to walk you through a Kurukshetra webpage and show you how I built and animated the hero section. I've already prepared the design system, so here's a quick look at the images, typography, logo, icons, and color palette, and of course background I'll be using. Now that everything's ready, let's jump in. First, I'll take a new frame and name it. This will be our main canvas. Next, let's add a background. Alright, now let's place the logo at the top. With a 40px padding from the top, I'm using the logo from our design system, and this spacing keeps it neat with enough breathing room. I'll add a grid. This helps keep everything aligned and makes the layout look clean and balanced. Next, we'll build the navigation bar. I've got the menu items, home, character, fights, and full story. To make it look cleaner, I'll reduce the opacity of all the element and highlight character as the active page. Next, let's add the hover animation. Just make a copy of your navigation bar and convert it into a component set. Alright, now head over to the prototype settings. But first, let's give it a hover state color before we move on. Now it's time to create the animation for the hover effect. Just follow me step by step. Do it exactly like I'm doing on screen. Next, open the Assets panel, select your animated element, and position it on the page. Alright, now let's add the main button. I'm setting the left and right padding to 32px, top and bottom to 14px, and giving it a 50px corner radius for that smooth, rounded look. Next, let's move for our hero section. Start by selecting the hero section image and adding a frame around it. Alright, now let's pick an image to put on our second page. Place it in the same frame, then move it so it goes outside the frame. Same with the third image, and so on. Make sure to name it properly so we don't run into issues later, and don't forget to name your images too. It'll make them easy to identify later. Now, turn on the Clip Content option so anything outside the frame won't be visible. Next, position the image onto the main page. Next, let's move to the main heading for our hero section. I'm setting it to 40px, bold, and using Krub font. Now, let's add a frame around the heading. And don't forget to name the hero text. Next, add the hero text for the second page, place it within a frame, and position it so it extends beyond the frame, similar to the image setup. Apply the same steps for the hero text for the third page, and repeat for the fourth page. Make sure to turn on clip content so everything outside the frame stays hidden. Now, for the second line of text, follow the exact same steps we used for the hero text and images. Done. Now position it, maintaining a 20px gap. Do exactly the same steps with the subtitle. I've already named all the elements earlier so the video doesn't get too long, but make sure you name everything properly so you don't get confused later. Moving forward, let's create the call to action buttons. Use the same sizing and details as before to keep everything consistent. Alright, now it's time to animate the buttons for a slick hover effect. Just follow along with me. Done. Now place the buttons. Place it on the center. Next, position the element we're selecting from the design system. Next, we'll design the forward and backward navigation buttons. Take a frame with a height and width of 50 pixels and set the corner radius to 50 pixels. After, place the icon in the center. Make the opacity to 52%. Next, we'll add an animation to this button. Just do the same as I'm doing. Next, duplicate the button and rotate it 180 degrees to create the backward button. At this stage, about 80% of the work is done. Now, duplicate the page. Move the first page hero image outside the frame and hide it. Then, go to the Layers panel and find the second page hero image. Hide the first page hero text. Then go to the Layers panel and find the second page hero text. Just follow along as I'm doing. Same with the second text and the subtitle. Repeat the same steps for the third and fourth pages. Now for the main transition animation. This is the last part. We've almost finished our design. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. Now, follow the steps as I'm doing for a smooth animation. And just like that, we've completed everything.